Well, the way science influenced me is that it's not like I directly use science to inquire. It's more like my mind has been trained by science. My consciousness learned the scientific method. The scientific method became part of my learning, right? The scientific method, the need for verification, the need to experiment, the need to corroborate findings, and also, and that way, so my method of spiritual work is more scientific. It has scientific principles in it. In that way, I use science. It's more the philosophy of science, the methodology of science is very much expressed by the kind of inquiry I practice and teach. Then I use scientific theories and ideas because they're as parallels that gives us some kind of insight into our spiritual nature. I don't try to make them the same because they're not the same really. It's hard to tell what's the relationship between the two. You see, I don't want to make statements just because I see parallels, say, oh, this is the same. It has to be verified. So I'm scientific that way. Because many people say, well, science shows that everything is waves. That's what the quantum theory says. So that means this must be the same thing as what some of the Tantra says, that everything is vibration. No, not necessarily. They talk about the same thing. They probably talk about very different things, but they sound similar. And maybe there is some kind of relationship. But we have to verify what is the relationship before we make a statement of truth. That's how my inquiry is scientific.